this is all 100% true and only a fool wouldn't believe it. A foolish fool. And you aren't a foolish fool, are you? Let's talk facts about sports cars. Cars, despite popular belief, have only the smallest amount of sentience, and even the sportiest of models probably won't rise up against us during the coming AI wars. Sports cars are often flashy colors, like electric gray and chunky bran flake brown, but by far, the most common color is the mixture of hot pink and snot green. 1/4 of all sports cars are luxury models, generally made in undersea caverns, off the coast of Norway, which I don't have to tell you, is the creme de la creme of car manufacturers. Most sports cars drive an average of 73 miles a week, without their primary driver ever knowing what is going on. Sporty-type cars don't play real sports, but they do play video games, and, perhaps surprisingly, hopscotch. Sports cars were the originators of the old banana in the tailpipe gag. Though, back when only they did it, it was to let other cars know their place. Sports car tires are very different from your average tire, and can only be changed by the proper application of money. It turns out that sports cars are not even related to their big brothers, the sports utility vehicle. The cars know this, but they neglect to share this information with humanity. The first person to ever drive a sports car was, of course, Jesus Christ, who is famous for uttering the line, "Where we're going, we don't need roads." It is the law in Mississippi and Mississippi that all sports cars must play bluegrass music at the loudest possible volume while passing along the roads of their state. Only sports cars though. All other cars, who even dare to play bluegrass, will be ticketed. Yes, sports cars are far more than just simple, sporty cars. They are complex, complexities of complexiness, that deserve our respect, both on the road, and off. Whatever happens next, remember to stay cool. Love, Mr. Fantasticool.
Mr. Fantasticool.